Hello everyone, welcome to GoFit's YouTube channel. This is a channel where I get regular workout videos, health and fitness tips, lifestyle tips, meal prep ideas, free diet plans and so much more. So you do not want to miss any video from our channel, quickly go and subscribe to our channel and let us start today's video. Starting a fitness journey can be very difficult with so much information available everywhere. It can get very overwhelming. I'm Arwa Zakir. I'm a health and fitness coach in the past 7 years and I've been certified in lots of different certifications for kickboxing, prenatal, postnatal, kettlebell, Pilates, yoga and so much more. Being obese myself earlier, I know how difficult it can be to start a weight loss journey. Here we are helping you in your fitness journey by helping you with diet plans and workout programs. If you've not know already, we have started an 8 weeks weight loss challenge on Instagram. We're giving you workout programs, workout videos, weekly meal guides, daily check-ins and so much more. So quickly go and check us out on Instagram as well at gofit.arwa. So today we're going to be sharing with you 2 easy, healthy, delicious recipes that you can eat while on your weight loss journey in this Fat Fury challenge. First one is a paneer FRANKIE or a paneer roll. It is a very common street food that is found all over India, but those are the unhealthier ones. So today we're bringing to you a healthier version of your favorite paneer FRANKIE. First, we will marinate the paneer. For this, in a bowl, add 30 grams of paneer. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt, curd, jeera powder and lemon juice. Julienne cut your vegetables and add chaat masala into it and mix it well. Take your whole wheat tortilla wrap, add the paneer and the vegetables and cook it on slow flame for a few minutes. Here it is, enjoy! So you saw how easy and delicious that was to make, right? You definitely have to try this on your weight loss journey. So we have these diet plans and many more diet plans and workout videos on our Instagram channel. So do check out our Instagram channel at gofit.arwa, and for personalized diet plans and workout programs, you can definitely contact us and we'll help you with your weight loss journey. Moving on to the second recipe we have today for you is a chana and paneer cutlets. These are so delicious and so easy to make as well, and these can be eaten in lunch, in dinner. You can take it to work and you can even have it with tea in the evening. So let us see how this one is made. Soak the chana for 3 to 4 hours and then blend it well. In a bowl, add the blended chana, whole wheat flour, chopped onions and chopped coriander. Add all the spices that we did in the previous recipe plus dry mango powder. Mix this all up well, form small cutlets. In a pan, heat the oil for a few minutes and then cook these cutlets for a few minutes or till golden brown. That's it. Enjoy these delicious high protein cutlets. So these were the 2 recipes for today. Let me know in the comment section below that which recipe did you like more and which you're definitely going to try the next time. For more such healthy recipes and workout videos, do follow us on Instagram at gofit.arwa. And this is it for today. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys next week in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your health.